Panalo po ang PLDT Home Evolution Power Pinoys kontra sa Alten Bars ng Mongolia. Yan ang ating set scoring 25-13, 25-23, 25-16. Chiquires here with Coach Ronnie. Coach, ganda ng umpisa natin. Shaky second set. Pero bumalik ang laro ng Pinoys ng third set at nakakuha tayo ng unang panalo dito sa ABC 2014.
Si Cedric Legrand ang siya nagsimula ng pagtulong ng Team Pilipinas ayon sa, kung pagbabasihan natin ang ating offense. But eventually, itong si Luis was the glue guy para dito sa Team Pilipinas. 8 players scoring 2 or more points para sa Team Pilipinas, led by the 18 big points. Itong si Cedric Legrand. Abilia nagpakita ng 12 puntos. Richard Gomez nagpamalas ng sandaling oras but still enough to generate a lot of oohs and ahs sa ating mga manonood dito. Eventually, Coach Francis Vicente and the rest of PLDT Home Evolution kasamang Chiki, winalis ang hamon ng game na game at very scrappy team ng Mongolia.
Nabanggit mo, Coach Francis Vicente, kasama ngayon ni Apple David ang kanyang panayam sa ating winning coach. Go ahead, Apple.
Yes, first of all, congratulations, Coach. If I may ask you, how big is this win for our team? What does it mean?
It's a big win kasi it's a possible quarterfinals. No? Pasok sila. So, if Iraq wins against Mongolia, it's a definite na nandun kami sa quarterfinals. So, yun lang.
So, you mentioned about Iraq. Next game nyo, Coach, against Iraq, a tougher team. Paano nyo ba sila paghahandaan?
Siguro yung movements, hindi pa namin makikita yon eh. Pero we'll push ourselves to our limits para maipanalo yung game. O kaya mabigyan ng magandang laban yung Iraq. Okay.
So thank you very much, Coach. And again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo dyan, Chiki.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Apple. Kinuwento ni Coach Francis, Iraq, Mongolia. Coach Ronnie, Sabado pa yan. April 12, alas 12 ng tanghali, doon natin malalaman. So before they meet each other, makakaharap muna natin sa Webes ang Iraq. So wala pang kasiguruhan. Mas maganda siguro, madali na natin Iraq on Thursday.
Pero pinaka-importante, nakuha natin ito.
Yung unang panalo. That's right, that's right.
Maliwanag naman yung binanggit ni Coach Francis Vicente, could mean a possible quarter-finals team. At yun lang naman ang ating layunin. Makuha ang ating unang panalo. And then, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na laban.
Ngayon naman, kasama ni Apple ang tatawagin kong Cedric the Grand Legrand. Apple?
Yes, kasama ko nga siya ngayon, Chiki. Cedric, what can you say about the game? Did it go as you expected it to be?
We trained about 3 months for this game, so yeah, it did go the way we expected. We wanted to win, and we did really well. The team played really well together. We passed really well, and it was just a really good team win today. So yeah, it was a good game.
If there's anything you want to say to all the fans that supported you guys, what would it be?
Thank you so much. You guys are a big help. I encourage you guys to come to the next games. Next game's on Friday against Iraq. I hope you guys come down because we've got your support. You know, we're the #1 here.
Thank you very much. Again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat muli, Apple. Cedric Legrand, Coach Ronnie, matibay naman na laro ng ating Power Pinoys. Your final thoughts, Coach, before we end our coverage?
The most important thing right now is for the Philippines to have a positive start. Nakuha natin yun. Now we will rate our next possible counterparts. Pero sa ngayon, sigurado susukatin ni Coach Francis Vicente kung anong antas meron ng ibang mga club teams. Pero hindi namin kayo aanyayahan, samahan nyo kami dito sa Mall of Asia Arena in the next 8 days. 9 na araw po ng kompetisyon, the best club teams in Asia.
Huwag kong makakalimot, mga kaibigan, join us here. At dito nagtatapos ang aming coverage ng ABC 2014. Sa ngalan ko ng aking mga partners sa Sports 5, ang aming floor director, Kenneth Salandaran, ang aming director, Francis Opidio, ang aming courtside reporter, Apple David, my partner here, Coach Ronnie Magsano, ko po si Chiki, Brother Benga Reyes, saying maraming salamat for watching great volleyball action dito lamang po sa TV5.
This program was brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber.